So here we are at the pre-delivery warehouse for Bespoke Autosports, and we're going to unwrap the McLaren 765 LT Spider. So come and check it out. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of DBTV. As you can see, we got today's episode, we're unboxing the McLaren 765 LT Spider. She just arrived here from England at McLaren Sydney. Let's unbox this car and look at the spec. Ready? So they have to do all this packaging because obviously on the boat you need all this protection so it doesn't get damaged. Ooh, look at this. Is that a bit of a hit? Yep. We went purple and orange. As you can tell already, I actually just stuck to amethyst black just like I did with the coupe. You'll see the changes throughout the car where I've done it differently compared to the coupe. Okay, the front parts where I've done a little bit differently compared to the coupe. Ta-da! Can you see that? Oh, not bad. Purple and orange. So now that we've unwrapped the car, taken off all the packaging to protect the car during transport, let's take a closer look of the spec I've chosen for the LT Spider. I'm not sure if you pick it up here, but we've gone for the carbon bonnet. It's actually full exposed carbon with the option to paint around it to make it look like it's an exposed stripe. We've also got here the McLaren badge. Instead of the regular McLaren badge, you put on top, this is actually like an emboss. It's within the bonnet, so it's like if you know, it's a very, it's very subtle. Other than that, it's very similar to the coupe. I've chosen amethyst black, carbon front bumper, carbon side skirts. The exterior I didn't change too much. You notice that the doors open and operate differently to the coupe. When you open the doors, the roof, it's like one piece. You got they call this the floating buttress at the back. But everything else I've gone with the same in terms of the spec of the wheels, the gloss black wheels. Some people like the Spider exclusive wheels. I don't. I prefer these over the Spider exclusive wheels, and that was a cost option. So I've gone with the no cost option wheels, which is the same as the coupe. One other subtle difference, you can get a black pack, but when you get the black pack, the titanium tips, you can't see, when the exhaust gets hot, that the tips get, this purple kind of blue. So for this, I've asked for them to leave this in its original form. So over time, we'll see the color of the tips change color. The biggest difference is really in here. So as I mentioned, I've gone for the full carbon door sill with the kiwi to pay homage to Bruce McLaren, who's from New Zealand. The seats, I really didn't like the seats on my coupe, so I've just gone with the electric seats that I had in the 720S, but I've gone with full MSO custom interior. We had a few sessions with them. They were telling me that nobody's done purple. I think I'm the first. It's a bit out there. Yeah, so we went for the full purple underneath here, the orange. So we kind of like, the kind of two-tone, purple and orange. I love it. I really do. Oh, I didn't even, there you go. There's my chassis number. 216 of 765. Not bad. Obviously now we've got the Spider and we've got the roof mechanism. I think it's a must-have option on the Spider. They call it the electrochromatic roof. So it basically cuts out the amount of light that comes through into the cabin, open air, hardtop. There you go. 2 cars in one. The other big thing with buying a Spider is that back window. Just like the 812 GTS, it allows the exhaust sounds to come through the back. That's the one thing about the coupe. It sounds loud from the outside, but inside it'd be good to have a bit more sound coming through. Now with the Spider, you have that, so you can hear all the, you know, the downshifts and all the turbos and cracks and whistles and all that. And then here's the mats, the purple. Oh, I just went with the purple border. Okay, I didn't go too crazy. So this is like the spec sheet that we get from MSO when we do the sessions to see how the spec came out. Oh no, that's what I went. Okay, I'm going a bit crazy. Being a McLaren, it's got a carbon tub, so when you have the roof down, it feels like you're driving a coupe. The only difference is really the 30-40 kilos of the extra weight from the, you know, the roof mechanism. But in terms of the chassis rigidity, in terms of driving, you don't hear creaks or you don't feel like rattles because you're driving a convertible. That's the benefit it's always been with a McLaren carbon tub. So yeah, can't wait to drive it. Tell me what you guys think of this video and the unboxing and the spec that I've chosen for this Spider. Until then, I'll see you on the next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DBTV. Thanks for watching. See you in a few weeks.